Wear shoes.
Wear shoes.
Lock the door.
Lock the door.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Travel by bus.
Travel by bus.
Reach office.
Reach office.
Greet colleagues.
Greet colleagues.
Start work.
Start work.
Use computer.
Use computer.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Take a short break.
Take a short break.
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
Talk with friends.
Talk with friends.
Continue works.
Continue works.
Attend meetings.
Attend meetings.
Make phone calls.
Make phone calls.
Finish work.
Finish work.
Leave office.
Leave office.